There's only 4 of us home for dinner tonight, so we are going to have a very simple supper of some sandwiches. We have Italian buns here, and then honey ham, black forest ham, and roast beef. So people get to choose what they would like to have on their sandwich, and of course cheese, condiments, and then we'll probably, all 4 of us enjoy pickles, so have some side pickles, and then baby carrots as well, and some mandarins. All right, here they are. Nevaeh has black forest ham, Trexin roast beef, Venix wanted all 3, and I have honey ham and black forest ham. We are watching the BC Lions semifinal game, so we're gonna have some nachos for supper. We have salsa. We use the plain Greek yogurt in lieu of sour cream, banana peppers, black beans, corn, olives, chipotle sauce. Whatever they want, they can put on, but everyone must have some salad at least on the side. And there is mine, and I'm ready to resume the game. For dessert tonight, we are going to enjoy some leftover caramel apples from Halloween. It is Sunday, so I am making some brunch, a nice and easy one today. I'm gonna throw in some Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, and when they come out, I am going to cook up some eggs and add some cheese for some cheesy eggs. It's ready and has made the home smell so good. Tonight we are going to have some chicken vegetable stir fry. So I got some chicken going, and then we like these instant stir fry noodles. They're so good. And I'll cut up some veggies in a sec. And I'm just about to put some spring rolls into the oven. All right, so our vegetables are gonna be carrots, broccoli, red pepper, and then 3 of us will have the baby corn. Our family is totally split on the stuff. Rather we love it or despise it. Right down the middle, 3 and 3. For my sauce, I mixed together some soy sauce, Asian sesame sauce, and honey. For dessert this evening, some people are having popcorn, others are having candy cane ice cream. This ice cream is the best. For dinner tonight, we are having some leftovers that were in the freezer, some chili, and some cheese, and some crushed Doritos on top. Tonight we are having another leftovers freezer meal dinner with the potato cauliflower soup that I made a couple weeks ago, and I am going to bake up some Pillsbury crescent rolls to go with it. I can't even remember the last time I had these, so I hope they're really good. And this is supper tonight. Dinner this evening isn't so much a dinner as it is just putting food into our bodies. I am getting a bad cold, and so I just don't feel like making supper at all. It was this or ordering pizza. So everyone can choose a cereal between midi wheats and cranberry almond crunch cereal. Then we have lots of fruit with bananas, mandarins, pears, a variety of yogurts and cheese. So yeah, with the milk, hopefully it will fill up. Well, it'll fill up the littles for sure. All the older, bigger people can just snack through the night, I guess. I'm feeling quite a bit better, so I feel like I can actually make a decent dinner tonight. So we are gonna have some baked rigatoni, because even though I'm feeling a lot better, I want it to be easy. And baked pasta is very simple. And we're gonna top it with some Alfredo and then some Classico Bolognese sauce. And I am going to top it off with some marbled cheese, garlic, salt, and Italian, where's the light? There it is. Italian seasoning to go. I was going to make a salad to go with this, but I actually lost track of time having to do other things. So this is going to be it tonight. Some family members requested a roast chicken dinner like Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I picked up a rotisserie chicken from Costco. I'm about to carve this up, add rosemary and pop it into the oven to reheat it. And I have some cranberry sauce here. I'm going to put it in the fridge because it's cooled off enough, and hopefully it will set a bit more before supper. We're gonna have some gravy with it and some stuffing for those of the family members that want that. And then some mashed potatoes made with the remaining potatoes from Ugly Potato Day. So that is going to be what I'm working on for dinner tonight. And I almost forgot the green beans, but remembered just in the nick of time. There's mine. As you can see, I am one of the people that do not appreciate stuffing or gravy. For dessert this evening, we are going to have shortbread cookies. I purchased them from Costco, and so some of them I've left plain, others I've dipped in chocolate so people can have what they like. It is Saturday morning and I am going to make some crepes for the family. I am going to do some with Nutella, strawberries, and bananas, and then others with icing, sugar, and jam. Here is the Nutella, strawberry, and banana crepe. And here's the other kind of crepe, just some icing, sugar, and strawberry jam. And I'm gonna eat this one, and I'm gonna have a banana on the side. Mike is making supper tonight, and he has made some basmati rice to go with butter chicken, which is just chickpeas instead of chicken. For dessert tonight, I'm having some popcorn while I watch my Canucks game. For this Sunday's brunch, I am going to make some white chocolate cranberry scones, and I'll also throw in a bunch of other items because we are going to decorate our Christmas tree. So just some other treats and goodies to make up a brunch lunch for the family. Here are the white chocolate cranberry scones. I think they turned out pretty well. And then I put together a snack board filled with cookies and crackers, different cheeses. I have cheddar, Havarti, and aged cheddar here, and then some kiwi fruit and strawberries and snap peas. We have red pepper jelly and pickles for those who want. Then some white cheddar poppets. For drinks, my husband and I are going to have the cranberry ginger ale club soda with some frozen cranberries in a cup. And then for the kids, Coke or Kool-Aid. For dinner tonight, we are having turkey burgers with like stuffing and cranberries in them. And then we're also going to have some French beans. These are the nice buns. I think they're so beautiful. There's only 4 burger patties, so I'm gonna have to think of something else to do for 2 of the members of the family who do not appreciate cranberries or stuffing. And then I have here some gravy. Can't get the light. There we are, some gravy I left over from the other night. I think I'll put it in a dish for them to dip their burgers in, and then have some cranberry sauce as well to go on the burgers. Here is my husband's, just a little bit of gravy, but we got some Havarti cheese with the turkey burger and cranberry sauce. He's gonna enjoy it, aren't you? We are having my favorite thing to eat ever, lasagna, for supper tonight. So I have my oven ready noodles. I'll add the Prego sauce to the beef once it's finished browning. I have it here with some onions and Italian seasoning and salt and pepper. And then over here I have my ricotta that I'm about just to mix up with some egg, parsley, and garlic salt. I'm gonna add some Parmesan and aged cheddar to that. Then I have mozzarella, of course, for the top, and I'll add some more Italian seasoning to it. Then for the side dish, a beautiful French loaf. I'm going to make it into garlic bread with some butter, Italian seasoning, Parmesan, and more garlic salt. My lasagna is about to come out of the oven. I have my garlic bread ready to go. And then when it goes in, I'm going to make a Caesar salad. We actually don't have very much romaine lettuce because a lot of my romaine lettuce turned, but we'll all get a little bit at least. So good. There is mine. We are very excited to have it tonight. Right, Benix? Delicious, don't you think? Tonight's dinner is based around this mango chili stir fry slash dipping or marinating sauce that I found in my covers I have not used up. So what I've decided to do is just to cook up some chicken breasts. I added a little bit of salt and pepper and then some of this Montreal chicken spice. I'm gonna cook that up, heat up the mango chili sauce, cook some basmati rice, and also steam up some peas and corn, and then just kind of put it all together and drizzle this sauce on top. Totally winging it, hoping that it works out. All right, this is the moment of truth. We will find out. Is it good or a pass? Majority of the family, don't Traxton. Majority of the family really does enjoy it, so it's a hit. Yay. Tonight for supper, I'm gonna make some chicken fajitas. The chicken is cooking right now. Have 2 peppers because this is the red peppers. This is all I have. Alex, I need to go shop and get more. I'll add salt and pepper, garlic, salt, paprika, chili powder, and cumin to the chicken. And we actually like cheese on our fajitas, so I'll get some cheese grated, and I'll get out the salsa as well for us to put our fajitas together. Okay, we're almost ready. The meat is cooked. We're just getting the veggies a little bit softer. I am going to heat up the tortillas, and then once they're warm, people are going to come over here, and if they want some, we use Greek yogurt in lieu of sour cream because it can't tell the difference. Anyways, if you want that, you can have it. Salsa if you want, cheese everyone will want, and then they can come back here and get some of the chicken and the vegetables, fold it up and enjoy. I love heating these up. They're so fun. And when you do, if you haven't done this before, it makes them more flexible and kind of almost like stretchy to be able to wrap it up better. But look, it puffs right up. So much fun. Gets nice and airy. Here is my pre-wrapped fajita. Tonight is the Tyson and Paul boxing match, so we have a grab and go supper. I have some orange crush for the boys. Nevi's already had her dinner because we don't want her around the boxing, so people can grab their buns. We have lettuce, cheeses, so cheddar and Swiss. Then, whatever type of deli meat someone wants to have. For sauce, we have mayonnaise, chicken sauce, mustard, and then a sweet and heat sauce. Pickles, we have vegetables, some cauliflower, yellow pepper, cucumber, carrots, and then if you want some veggie dip, or not veggie dip, spinach dip to dip the vegetables in, we have that. We also have 2 kinds of biscotti, some white chocolate berry, and then hazelnut almond for dessert, and some licorice, nib licorice. And what is a sub sandwich without chips, right? Just like a regular deli. We have some kettle cooked chips, spicy dill, and original. There is mine. Can't wait to see this fight. For supper tonight, we are going to have pizza. I haven't figured out which kind yet we're going to have, but I'll be making 3 total. So my yeast has been activated beautifully, and I'm just going to get the dough started and let it rise for the next hour. The dough rose well, and I was actually thinking I would do barbecue chicken and pepperoni pizza, like just do 2 flavors. but some math problems took over my afternoon for homework with my kids. And so I've run out of time. So I'm going to do pepperoni and cheese. Here they are. I will bake this one after the first two come out of the oven. So I added Italian seasoning to all three, but the cheese, I also added some garlic salt. Now they're going to go in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. And people will be able to add rather Frank's hot sauce or Parmesan or chili flakes onto their pizza if they wish. All right, they are finished and out of the oven, and the third just went in. Oh man, I love pizza. So good. I forgot my favorite. I like the chipotle mayo on mine. So can't forget the chef's favorite. Ooh. I always forget that it's gonna fog right up. All right, there is, my camera has to unfog though. The other pizza. For dessert tonight, we are having an apple raspberry crisp. There are Macintosh, Granny Smith, and pink lady apples in there, along with some flour, cinnamon, and a little bit of white sugar. And then for the crumble, just butter, brown sugar, and oats. Oh, and some flour. I do normally like to put some coconut in, but it's been quite the night, and I just can't be bothered to dig it up from the cupboard. So yeah, it's gonna be without coconut today. Fun fact, our power went out. There's an accident in town that's taken down the power. So thankfully my crisp was almost finished and I just left it in the oven for a while, but that does mean no ice cream or whipped cream with it. You know, all I can say is I'm really grateful to have some hot food during this power outage, and I'm grateful that my Christmas lights are up because they're battery powered.